So, good morning, everyone. My research topic is precipitation stable isotope simulation over East Asian monsoon region during last glacial maximum. So, the East Asian monsoon climate is very important for billions of lives. So this study will simulate East Asian monsoon climate, including precipitation water isotope, which you may remember from our last speaker, Alexan, isotope 18, oxygen 18 here. But this study will focus on the last glacial period climate using ISOGS model, which is developed by Yoshimura sensei in our lab. And our purpose of this study is the first is how to simulate LGM climate using ISOGS model, and are the results good or robust compared to other studies. So first, I'm gonna introduce why we study LGM here. As you can see in the picture, LGM is a cold age. You can see the ice coverage in the North America, Europe, and North Asia here. And LGM is most recent cold age. The global temperature is 6 degrees colder than today. So investigating LGM climate will help us to understand the East Asian monsoon climate change here. So our method is to use initial variables in LGM, like the radiation, the sea surface temperature, sea ice, and so on. And we use these variables in the ISOGSM model to get a result like this one here. So the first, the temperature and the rainfall amount, we get LGM results compared to modern days. We can see in this region, East Asian, we get a negative negative 8 degree colder temperature in this region, and we can also get less rainfall in the northwest of this region, and more rainfall in the east south region. And we compared our results to another model result like Mirok here. You can also see similar pattern in this model. And also we compared our isotope results in LGM to the proxy data, like the ice core and the speleosome here. And you can see more negative value in the high latitude area, and less negative value in the low latitude area. And the result looks very good. But however, there are still some differences between our results and other data. So more comparison work is needed for the future. And seasonal climate variation is also very important. If you can see in Japan this month, we have got a lot of rainfall. So this is also a very important work for future in my research. So my conclusion are ISOGSM model can produce well LGM data compared to proxies and other models. Cold air and relatively negative precipitation isotope are found in our results, but improvements of comparisons and climate mechanism analysis are needed for the future work. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you for your presentation.